And more incidents of violence that are being reported from the poll-bound state of West Bengal. Attempts to vandalize Locket Chatterjee's car in Hooghly, and this is being reported when a mob surrounded the vehicle and attempted an attack. We've also put out those pictures for our viewers on your screens, and we don't know the extent of the damage yet, but we have been told that there was an attempt to vandalize Locket Chatterjee's car in Hooghly. Yes, the incident happened in Hooghly, where a mob surrounded the vehicle and attempted an attack. My colleague will be joining us very shortly to give us more details on the convoy of Locket Chatterjee that was attacked in Hooghly. And I believe Rima is already connected with us. Rima, have you been able to pick up more? As the picture suggests that there was a mob that just surrounded that vehicle. And then what happened?
लॉकेट चटर्जी ना सिर्फ सांसद है बल्कि इस बार वो चुनाव भी लड़ रही हैं और आज जब वो जायजा लेकर लौट रही थी उसके बाद उनके काफिले पर, उनकी गाड़ी पर, सिर्फ काफिले नहीं बल्कि उनकी गाड़ी पर हमला हुआ। ये देखिए, पश्चिम बंगाल में सिर्फ कार्यकर्ता नहीं आपस में भिड़ रहे बल्कि बड़े लीडर्स जब चुनावी मैदान में उतरते हैं तो वो भी हमले का शिकार हो रहे हैं। हम बीजेपी के तमाम बड़े लीडर्स की यहाँ फहरिस्त गिना सकते हैं, जिसमें कैलाश विजयवर्गीय हैं, जेपी नड्डा हैं। इन तमाम लीडर्स के काफिले पर हमला हो चुका है। आपको पिछले दिनों की स्थिति मैं बार बार याद दिला रही हूं कि वहां पे हमने देखा था कि पिछले दिनों जो स्थिति बनी थी उसमें दिलीप घोष के काफिले पर भी हमला हुआ था। और अभी की स्थिति ये है कि लॉकेट चटर्जी, जो कि बहुत बड़ा चेहरा है यहाँ के लिए, आज वीआईपी सीट, उनका सीट भी काउंट हो रहा है और उनके काफिले पर हमला हुआ, उनकी गाड़ी के शीशे तोड़े गए। कैसा माहौल पश्चिम बंगाल में बना हुआ है, यहाँ के राजनीतिज्ञों को सोचना चाहिए। यहाँ के जो सत्तासीन लोग हैं कम से कम उन्हें देखना चाहिए कि आखिर क्या मैसेज जा रहा है।
I'm sorry, I'm having to interrupt you here, but Amit Malviya is also with us on the phone line. Amit Malviya, if you'd be able to tell us in detail of what happened and how was Locket Chatterjee's car targeted there?
Look, we are trying to get details of the attack, but it's very unfortunate that TMC workers continue to attack BJP candidates and leaders. This isn't the first time that violence of this kind has been resorted to, and I hope Election Commission takes notice of it and does what is appropriate. People responsible for this attack must be booked, and EC must ensure that free and fair elections are possible. If candidates and sitting member of parliament are being attacked like this, you can imagine what's happening to the common people on the ground.
And that too when there is so much security already. We see in the pictures how personnel of the central forces are trying to contain the situation, and despite that the mob is just going on to attack them. We also have a reaction from Locket Chatterjee. I believe
একজন মহিলা নিজেদের সর্বনাশ করতে গিয়ে একজন মহিলার গায়ে হাত তুলছে মহিলা মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর জন্য। মাইনরিটি এই যে সংবাদ মাধ্যমের উপর আক্রমণ করলো। আগেও হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ স্যার, हेलो सर, मेरा गाड़ी तोड़ दिया है। 66 नंबर बूथ माइनॉरिटी पूरा चप्पा कर रहा था, मैंने जाके पूरा हाथों में पकड़ लिया है। उसके बाद पूरा टीम लेके जो मीडिया को गाड़ी से उतरकर मीडिया को मारधोड़ किया। अभी हमारा बहुत सारा लोग उधर में है, लेकिन सीआरपीएफ का जो फोर्स है अभी पर्याप्त नहीं है। अब उसको भेजिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारा मीडिया का लोग भी उधर अंदर में है, अभी अटक गया है। और मेरे गाड़ी में तोड़फोड़ कर दिया, मुझे भी लगा है ग्लास में। हाँ, तुरंत भेजिए। मैं सामने हूँ, बहुत सारा मीडिया वाला लोग के ऊपर भी बहुत मारा है ये लोग, माइनॉरिटी।
কি বলবেন এই ঘটনা? গাড়ি থেকে নামিয়ে আমাকে
লজ্জার কথা। আগের বার ধনেখালিতে দেখেছি, এখন আগে ধনেখালিতে দেখেছি, এখানে 66 নাম্বার 65 দুটো বুথ আছে, পুরোপুরি ভাবে ছাপ্পা করছিল চারিদিকে সবাইকে ঘিরে রেখে। আমি গিয়ে সবাইকে দেখাচ্ছিল শান্তিপূর্ণ। আমি একজনকে গিয়ে জিজ্ঞেস করি, একজন মহিলা, উনি দেখি ইভিএম এর সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে বলছেন, না আপনি কে আছেন, আপনি ভোটার আছেন? বলে আমি ভোটার নই। আপনি এখানে কি করছেন? দেখলাম কার্ড, একটা কোভিড ম্যানেজমেন্টের কার্ড ঢোকা। কোনো কোভিড ম্যানেজমেন্টের কোনো লোক ইভিএম মেশিনের সামনে দাঁড়াতে পারে না। আমি যখন ধরেছি তার অন্যা দিয়ে তার যখন সবার মিডিয়ার সামনে মুখটাকে খুলে দিয়েছি, সে আমাকে মারতে এসছে এবং নিয়ে গিয়ে সব লোকেদের একাট্টা করে আমাকে ঢিল, আমাকে গাছ ছোড়া, আমাকে সব কিছু করেছে এবং আমাদের মিডিয়ার লোকগুলোকে তাদেরকে গাড়ি থেকে নেমে বেধারক মারছে। এখনো লোক আটকে আছে ওখানে। সবাইকে জানানো হয়ে গেছে, বিবেক দুবেকেও জানিয়েছি। একাধিক গাড়ির উপরে একাধিক ইলেকশন কমিশনকে এর যতক্ষণ না এইখানে ফোর্স আসবে ততক্ষণ আমি যাচ্ছি না। এরা মানে না কিছু। একজন মহিলার গায়ে হাত দিচ্ছে, ছাপ্পা ভোট বাড়ছে কাকে? একদম চোট চিটিংবাজ পার্টিকে বাঁচাতে, মাইনরিটি গুলো তাদের নিজেদের জায়গা তাদের কিচ্ছু করেনি এদের জন্য, আর মহিলাগুলো নিজেদের সর্বনাশ করছে। সর্বনাশ করছে। হ্যালো, 66 নম্বর বুথ,
मीडिया गाड़ी भांचुर होती है,
मैम इफ यू कैन जस्ट टेल अस क्या हुआ था जब ये यहाँ पे बूथ पे गए थे और कौन सा नंबर बूथ है?
देखिए 66 नंबर बूथ है मंडल में। बहुत सारा महिला छप्पा मार रहा था। मैंने पूछा, उनको हाथों में पकड़ लिया था। उन्होंने बोला कि हम आप वोटर है, आप वोट दिया है? नहीं, मैं इधर का वोटर नहीं। तो क्यों है इधर? मैंने उसका कार्ड देखा, कोविड मैनेजमेंट, झूठ कार्ड। कोविड मैनेजमेंट का कोई ऐसा नहीं है, नियम नहीं है जो ईवीएम के पास जाके किसी को बोलेंगे कि टीएमसी दबाओ। मैंने पकड़ लिया है टीएमसी, कैमरा में उसका छवि दिखा दिया है, उसका कार्ड भी दिखा दिया है। इधर सब लोग मुझे घेर लिया है, मीडिया लोग को घेर लिया है, गाड़ी तो तोड़ दिया, मुझे मारने का कोशिश किया, ईट भी छोड़ा।
दीदी की হয়েছিল আপনি যদি একবার বলেন।
मैम आपने इसी पे कंप्लेन किया है? मैम हैव यू रेज्ड दिस विद इलेक्शन कमीशन?
कंप्लेन किया है।
किसी को कंप्लेन किया मैम? मैम पुलिस वहाँ पे मौजूद था।
66 पुलिस कुछ भी नहीं किया, पुलिस लोग कुछ भी नहीं किया। सब पुलिस को मालूम है, क्योंकि इतना सामने इतना ज्यादा लोग क्यों होगा? 100 मीटर तो नहीं है, इतना सामने बूथ के गेट के सामने इतना ज्यादा मुस्लिम लोग घेर लिया है कि अंदर में छप्पा वोट हो रहा है, बाहर में सब लोग खड़े हुए हैं। लॉकेट दी आएगा, उसको मालूम नहीं है।
दीदी की হয়েছিল একটু বলেন।
So Locket Chatterjee there putting out details of the incident and how her vehicle was targeted. She also says that the local police that was standing there did not come to her help. We put out those pictures of that incident for our viewers, where you see how the glass is completely shattered and how this violent mob charged towards that vehicle. Our guests continue to stay with us on the broadcast, and I would want to discuss this with them. Shishir Bajoria and Shubhankar Bhattacharya continue to stay with us. Shubhankar, what do you have to say about this now?
See, I think I should call it.
And if I can also...
If I'm allowed to go on. Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so
yes,
the
please.
thing is, I should say that it has been very misorchestrated by Locket Chatterjee, and something the viewers would like to just know, and I guess that most of the viewers would be surprised that how come every time any car is attacked, any mob is mob attacks a car of the BJP leaders or something, there is media, there is everything, the photographs are taken, and everything reaches at the very moment when the incidences happen, and everything gets captured.
Shishir,
but when it happens with the TMC, there is no coverage at all.
Shishir, you can respond to that.
No,
Before I respond, I have a very quick question for Mr. Bhattacharya.
No.
A very quick question. Is he sitting here as a political analyst, or is he belonging to a political party? Mr. Bhattacharya, I come from BJP. You can see my lotus on my crest. But are you a political analyst, or are you from TMC? Please clarify this, and I will answer your question. Mr. Bhattacharya, please clarify.
See, would you take any opinion?
And Shubhankar, you also must know, it is not just restricted to Locket Chatterjee's vehicle. Even the media has been attacked. We put out those pictures. Cars of the media that have been attacked, these glass panes that have completely been shattered, and how the mob charged towards the media as well.
Let me bring to your notice, ma'am. Let me bring to your notice. See what Locket Chatterjee said, that the minorities attacked her. She continuously claimed that the minorities attacked us. Even at two places, she said that the Muslims attacked me. The Muslims, don't
Mr.
want
Bhattacharya, will you answer my question?
They continuously pinpointed on that.
Are you TMC or are you analyst?
She completely pinpointed
Mr. Bhattacharya,
on the point that the minorities have attacked her. She actually didn't actually.
So what is wrong in that?
Shishir, even if he leans towards the TMC,
minority, because
point is that Locket Chatterjee has been attacked.
Can I speak
And then
also,
again,
madam?
Shubhankar, you're doing the same thing of pinning the blame
Madam,
on the
can I
other
also
side
comment?
just to defend
See,
yourself. Point
I'm
is that the
just
attack has
repeating what
happened.
I heard Locket Chatterjee
Are you going
say
to
on
defend
your own
this?
television channel. I'm
Madam,
just
madam,
repeating
can I
what
come
I
in?
heard
He's just
Locket
misleading the
Chatterjee
viewers.
speak on your own television channel. I'm not putting in any other word on your mouth. I'm not putting in words in her mouth. I'm just
Mr.
repeating
Shubhankar
what I heard
Bhattacharya,
Locket
Mr.
Chatterjee say
Shubhankar
on a national
Bhattacharya,
channel.
you don't even have the guts to own up the party you come from. Own up that you are from TMC, number one. Number two, the 66 number booth, if you do not know, is a minority area. So if my candidate says that she was attacked by minority, she is not wrong. Number three, when
That
you
is the
said,
point,
well, just
Shishir.
listen,
Thank
just
you.
keep, please,
Thank you.
please hold back your horses and listen. And number three, whenever we get attacked, and you blame the media for being there, this has not happened once.
Don't try.
You blame the media.
Shubhankar, at least condemn the attack.
Don't try to push in a fight
Instead of
between
straight
media
away
and
attacking the
media.
BJP,
Right,
at
that
least
is not
condemn the
correct.
fact that Locket Chatterjee has been attacked. The media has been
Shishir ji,
attacked.
You're a very senior leader, I guess. You're a very senior leader.
Shubhankar
But let me
ji,
tell you
Shubhankar
something.
ji.
Is it proper?
Shubhankar
that
ji.
whenever
Shubhankar,
something
do you at
happens,
least condemn
why
the
is it-
attack? Answer that much.
Of course, I condemn any sort of attack on any sort of
No,
political
do you
leader
condemn
from
this
any
attack,
party.
sir?
It
Sir,
is not like
sir,
that.
do you
It is
condemn
only
this
being
attack?
orchestrated.
Sir, do you condemn
And
this
such a
attack?
well-played thing.
Sir,
Every
do you
car of
condemn this
BJP
attack?
leader is getting attacked at a time when the poll is there. Right? And see how
Sir,
it
do
happens.
you
With
condemn
so
this
much of
attack or
security
not?
around, with so much of people
Security around because
they
the
say
state
that the
police
entire
simply are spectators. The state police are simple spectators when BJP gets attacked. This is not the first time.
very humbly, I
Yes, sir.
request you to
Yes,
understand. I request you to understand that when you say that the minorities have attacked me, that means somehow
Sir,
you have just not taken the
make me
minorities into
understand.
confidence.
I was in the convoy.
That shows
I
No,
was
but
in the
Shishir, do you think
minorities have not
Shubhankar is
been
misinterpreting
able to
this? Shishir, I want your point of view because he's making a straight up allegation when he's quoting this statement or this very use of words by Locket Chatterjee. Shishir, you think he's misinterpreting it?
No, it is not
I'm
misinterpreted.
sorry, I
How come
didn't
when
hear you.
Mamata Banerjee says something, it is never misinterpreted?
Shubhankar,
That
give
is
Shishir a
directly
chance.
interpreted.
Give Shishir a chance
Why
to
is
share his point of view. You think Shubhankar is misinterpreting the
Come on.
soundbite of Locket Chatterjee and what she said very briefly because she was also describing the incident.
I must tell you,
Shishir.
he's not misinterpreting. He's not misinterpreting. He's doing it on purpose. He's only trying to lead the viewers astray. That's all. He knows the reality.
on.
He knows the reality
viewers
what has
heard
happened.
it.
He
The
knows the
viewers heard
reality
it.
because it's
She
not once.
continuously
It always
repeated
happens.
that the
Shubhankar
minorities
ji,
hit me, the
Shubhankar
Muslims hit
ji,
me.
number 66 booth. If you do not know, shall I send you the demographics?
Oh,
And
then
when the
you
chief
need to
minister
understand
says, when
that
the
when you
chief
talk
minister
about
herself said
Bengal,
that I
almost we are
will even
33%
suffer
of the
a kick
voting.
of the milch cow. Shubhankar
Come
ji,
on.
did the chief
Just try to
minister say this or not?
understand,
Sir, very humbly, did she say this or not? Did she not say
Shubhankar, there were
attack the
personnel of the central
Did she
forces
not say this?
guarding that vehicle. Despite that,
Of
the mob
course.
charged towards those personnel also and they attacked those men in uniform. You are seeing
look
those
at the
pictures,
visual.
they are
Try to
on your
understand, try to
screens.
understand.
What are you trying to
No,
project
try to understand
here? That is this being orchestrated? What do you
The
mean,
very first
Shubhankar?
thing
Please
I did-
explain.
The very first thing I did, I said
Shubhankar
that
ji, are the
I
visuals
condemn any sort of attack on any political leader, irrespective of which party he or she belongs to. But you need to try to understand that when such incidences occur, why is it always orchestrated in a way that the minorities have done this? So you are saying basically that the minorities have lost confidence in you. That is what I'm trying to stress.
sir, let me
Because
also
that is
tell
not
you
my
another
word.
reality. The
That was the
minorities
word
have
of Locket
deserted you.
Chatterjee.
Sir,
And
sir,
okay,
the
65,
minorities have
66
even
booth
deserted
is
you.
of mine. There are n number of booths where the minorities have a larger share of voting
Shubhankar ji.
thing over there. But the thing is, how can you actually malign? How can you malign the name of the minorities? How can you say if you're being
Shubhankar ji,
attacked, some
Shubhankar
mob
ji,
does
if
it?
somebody attacks,
How do we
he
know?
attacks. If you call a crook, you call a crook, then you'll say a crook. Why are you maligning a crook? Do you see on the visuals the central force being attacked?
Shishirji, you are such a senior leader. Shishirji, come on. Come on, I respect you.
And Shubhankar, please don't give it a meaning right at this stage. Because let's also understand that when Locket Chatterjee was being spoken to at that point, she was just detailing the incident. So to take out 10 meanings of what she said and particular words and to give it any sort of interpretation at this point can also mislead people. So let's be more responsible in the statements that we make.
Ma'am, let me ask you, when Didi says something on the stage and she says that if there is any sort of interruption that is being forced onto you while you are just casting your vote, kindly stand strongly against it, protest against it. You just try to say that no, Didi has said, Didi has
the guts to speak.
But Shubhankar, that's on record.
Come on.
That is on record. How are you defending that? There has to be a ground to the defense that you put up, Shubhankar.
Two different people.
She has said that on record. All right, I'm sorry, Shishir and Shubhankar, we are slightly short on time. We have to move on into a short break. No, I understand, Shubhankar, we'll continue to talk about this. Shishirji, please hold on. We have to slip into a short break right now.